Gemini, hi. Welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16 to 31st of July 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Gemini, let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini people from 16 to 31st of July 2020. So let's see what is coming for you. Ooh, Gemini, what's going on? Okay, let's see. Six of Wands, Four of Wands. Wow. Let's see if it is coming again in your reading. Okay. My God, what is this strength? Maybe some of you are dealing with the Leo, Aries, Sag, because we have all the fire cards here. Wands. Okay, let's shuffle a little bit more so that we can have the clear message. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Gemini from 16 to 31st of July 2020. Wow, Ace of Swords, which is beautiful truth coming your way. I'm feeling that this is also your person planning travel for you, because this is documents and everything. Okay, maybe this is your person who is planning traveling for you, and they really want to come forward to you, to see you, to spend their good times with you. And yeah, let's see. Chariot, definitely travel. Wow. Okay, Hanged Man, Knight of Wands. Okay, let's see. Six of Pentacles. Wow, like really? Wheel of Fortune right in the heart of your spread. It's beautiful. Page of Wands, Five of Wands, Ten of Swords, Seven of Wands. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Transformation, which is the Scorpio. Rebirth after the deaths. Yeah, something is changing for your good, for your betterment. It's beautiful. By ending a very worst chapter of your life, a bitter chapter of your life. Okay, I'm feeling that there is a person, Gemini, who really wants to come forward to you, who really want to see you, and they are planning travel. They are really planning travel, and you can see this. But this travel has delayed for some reasons due to that situation going on in this world right now. But they really want to come forward to you, like, quickly, because Knight of Wands is a very swift energy. I'm feeling that they are very passionate to see you, to spend their good times with you, maybe intimacy. They want intimacy with you, or they want their intimate moments with you. They are really passionate for you, Gemini. There is no doubt. The Six of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Wands. I'm feeling that you want peace right now. Like, you want to be in a calm situation right now, and you also have passion for them. There's no doubt. But I'm feeling that you have some things to resolve first, and then you want to move forward towards your relationship, towards your love life. Like, you have a plan and a list, like first this, and then second, and then third, and then you have a list to accomplish all those tasks, and then love will be your priority. Okay, but universe is with you. There is no doubt. Universe always has your back, and universe is protecting you, and universe also wants you to be happy, and to be in a peaceful situation. And you are with the Six of Pentacles. You want balance. With the Five of Wands, Ten of Swords, and the Seven of Wands, I'm feeling that there are some people you just don't want to deal with them, Gemini. That's why you are cutting those people out of your life, and you are resisting them continuously, because you think that the person are toxic for you. Those people are. That's why you're not dealing with this anymore. You want to end that chapter, which is not for your higher good. Wow, you are a mature Gemini. What is this Ace of Swords for the Gemini? What is the Ace of Swords? This transformation really wants to come out. 8 of Wands, 9 of Cups. Wow. See, I'm feeling that Gemini, this person really wants to transform the situation. I'm feeling that the situation was really stuck before, and now they want to transform it, and they want it quickly. Transform it quickly, fast, because 8 of Wands is also very fast energy, and they think that their emotional contentment, their emotional stability is with you only. Like, they are feeling complete when you are with them, Gemini. And with the Ace of Swords, it's a truth. It's a truth. It's not a BS. It's a truth. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, the person you're dealing with, they have gone through some kind of transformation. That's why they don't want to waste their even any single minute to get you back in their life. That's why this is rebirth after the death. So they want to transform the situation between you and them. That's why they are planning travel, and they are maybe traveling to see you. What is this Hangman here for the Gemini? What is this Hangman for the Gemini? Tower, Knight of Pentacles, 3 of Wands. Okay, I'm feeling that Gemini, this person really was unable to make any decision, or to take any kind of leap of faith, and to make any kind of move in even in the past. And that's why the situation was very stuck in the past before. But now universe really wants to build this tower again between you and them, for you and that person. I'm feeling that this person is coming for you very suddenly. You are not expecting it, because this is too much waiting, and you are now fed up of this waiting, and you are working on yourself. You want peace, you want stability, you want a healthy lifestyle, and by doing this, you are attracting this person again in your life. And because we are in the Pluto retrograde and all these planets, so definitely things are coming back. And this is the person who is suddenly, unexpectedly coming back into your life, because you didn't expect this person, and but they are coming, and very swiftly, very speedily. You think that, yeah, slow, this person is very slow, they are not coming back, they don't wanna, no, they are not coming. Like, you have this mindset, and by saying this, you are working on yourself, and you are trying to be stable on the money pentacle 11, and also on your soul, on yourself. You're feeling stable in yourself, which is great. And now this person is coming. Wheel of Fortune, please. 5 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, you are feeling complete. You don't want anyone to complete you. You are very balanced right now. You are very if you want a commitment, there will be equal give and take, otherwise you're not accepting it. Yeah, that's a great resolution of yours, which is great, because I'm feeling that whoever is coming for you, they are feeling ignored, they are feeling avoided, they are feeling left out in the cold, because you are not now paying attention towards them. You're working on yourself and on your stability, on your money, because Jupiter is blessing you, going to bless you. Yeah, Jupiter is giving you blessings in the realm of money pentacle, and you are feeling very stable, very complete, very independent. Like, you don't want anybody to complete you. Yeah, that's great. What is this 10 of Swords here? What is the 10 of Swords here for the Gemini? Yeah, 4 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, you were feeling stuck before with the 8 of Swords here. Yeah, and that's why you are ending that stuckness. You don't want to please anyone else. You just want to focus on yourself, and then to the others. First of all, you want to give that love to yourself. You want to give that love to yourself, and by doing this, you are attracting a beautiful twin flame or soulmate in your life after a long period of time. Yeah, you are resisting all the lower vibration energy and all the toxic personalities if you have someone in your surroundings, you don't want to deal with them, and you're continuously bearing their, that toxic behavior, you are continuously ignoring them, but now enough is enough, you're cutting that out, cutting that person or those people out of your life, and you're focusing on your stability, on your love life, and on your money life, and on your growth. That's great. So yeah, Gemini, it's beautiful reading for you. Definitely there is a person who is coming your way and they don't want to lose you. They are really truly in love with you. For some of you it is a new person, for some of you it's a past person. Yeah, so this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.